drink it.
I'm diluting.
Drink as fast as you can. It's
Okay. It's the Study Abroad Center open house, and we're doing the Tam Slam, featuring JJ and Bonnie. No, you have to go down further, Bonnie. Hello. And apparently this is how you, oh, and Kim, and this is how you do the Tam Slam. First, you must take a cookie from Australia. And
Go to Australia.
Go to Australia to get the cookie. And take a bite on the corners. Very tiny.
Tiny bite.
Tiny bite.
That's good.
On both ends. Then you must dip the cookie into the drink, the tea, or the and then drink out of it like a straw.
Are we racing or
Does it work?
Does it work?
Yeah, it worked.
Yeah.
Holy melted in my
I'm gonna wait until that cools down.
My cookie's all
I let it sink in.
That's what happened to me in front of the Korean visitors.
Oh no, how
It just like disintegrated in my hand.
I know.
No, but it worked.
And then you eat it
Because it
it's
worked.
warm.
Yeah.
So it's like melted.
Yeah.
It needs to be kind of warm.
There's nothing in my hands.
They
I
would
thought
be
you just
judging you
snorted
in
it.
Australia.
Womp womp.
Did you do it, Kim?
So sweet.
This is so hot. I don't want to burn my
Yeah,
face off. I'm gonna
It's really
cool down
hot.
a
Do you like
smidge.
it, JJ? Do you like it?
Yeah,
Tim
it worked.
Tams are amazing.
Amazing.
So good.
So we should all go to
They're
Australia.
amazing, mate.
So we should all go to Australia.
Australia.
We're all gonna go to Australia. Yes.
What was it? Did we do music?
So Ashley, what was your favorite part about Australia?
I loved the culture and being able to see all the Aboriginals play the didgeridoos at Circular Quay. It
Nice.
was a lot of fun.
Very cool. And what city did you study in?
I stayed in Sydney, Australia at the University of Sydney.
Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing your Tim Tams with us today.
Thank you for having them. I hope you had fun.